Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on battery power saver on Android phone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or enable battery power saver on your Android phone, all you need to do is swipe down the control center on your Android phone. In this case, you want to locate the battery power saver if it is enabled, which is power saving. Click on it, and then it's going to turn on battery power saver on your Android phone. To exit, click on the three dots at the top right and then click on turn off battery power saving. Alternatively, if you want to go through the settings on your Android, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Android phone. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on battery. And now under battery, you should see power saving. Go ahead and turn on power saving and then hang on. Once you have the interface changed just like this, then your battery power saving is turned on. So that's exactly how to turn on battery power saver on Android phone. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.